All right, I figured I'd give a version of this from the bottom. So this is the exact same fitting we were just working on. And you can see by some sort of luck, it sort of traces the line. If you look up there, it's a little squirrely. Let's see if I can get to focus up there where it's supposed to go. It's a little squirrely where it's actually supposed to be. I can turn the light a little bit to get a little bit more light up there. So it's the shiny line that kind of snakes up there. It's not nearly as straight as the factory ones, but that's fine. There's little plastic clamps that'll hold those. But then what's really cool, and this is just pure luck or happenstance, I guess. There's a clamp that goes there. Hey, helper one, can you hand me the plastic clamp? Let's see. Yeah, that one is actually, nope, the other one. The ones that have two on them. Yep, right there. Yep, perfect. Okay, so there's these little plastic clamps that hold two of these 1/4-inch lines. And by happenstance, I think it's going to work that we just nailed that spot, and it's going to hold right there. You know, I bent it to mirror the previous pipe, but I didn't think I was going to get this close. So that's cool. And if we do that, it doesn't line up perfectly. I think this one normally traces above the other one. There's another clamp right here where I can barely see it. Let's see if I can get it so you can see this. So the bottom line here is a emissions line coming from the gas tank up to the front, and then this thing is supposed to go to the top line, which I could get it to do that, but my bend down there was a little too low. So I don't know how hard we'll work to get that there. Unfortunately, I'm just realizing this joint is landing right where this clamp is. So we may flip it over. I don't know. We'll figure something out. But it'll be pretty close to a factory assembly once we're done. Yeah, this clamp may not go on there. There's one down below. We may whip out the zip ties to hold this together. So anyways, now we're going to grab the old pipe here and continue all the way to the back, which is way down that line, all the way to the very back. It ends up following the frame rail, and then it loops back there. It loops up and over, and then it goes to a rubber hose, which then goes to the Y that splits to the right and left brake drums. So we're going to try that fitting now.